Motorhead Garage, brought to you by Dragonfire Tools, quality of portable workbenches and tool cabinets.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. I know you see wheels here, and you're thinking, I've seen a bunch of wheels, they're all the same. These are not like other wheels. Tell me how wheels, Patrick, from Litespeed Racing are different. What are some of the awards you've won?
So Litespeed Racing wheels have been used on the Pikes Peak record-holding vehicle. They've also been used on a number of other Class Mini vehicles and record-holding vehicles. Plus, they have the SEMA award for the best new wheel.
And you're not messing around. It's not just about style, it's about performance. In fact, when we were at SEMA last year, that's where we ran into Patrick, you weren't in with the other wheels. It's all divided off in sections. You were in the performance section. Tell me how I'm getting more performance out of my wheels with Litespeed.
Yeah, Litespeed Racing shows as a performance product because it's a true performance product. Our wheels are super lightweight, and that lightweight is a weight reduction that translates into all-around performance. That means acceleration, braking, even fuel economy. We have tested these wheels on a dyno and gained 10 horsepower and 10 pound-feet of torque just by switching to our lightweight wheel.
Even 1 horsepower is hard to come by, so you can do a supercharger, a turbocharger. That's expensive. You can chip your car. It's going to avoid the warranty. Wheels, they're the easiest thing you can do.
Yeah, you can put a set of Litespeed Racing wheels on your car, make your car look great, get all the added benefits, and you don't have to worry about voiding your warranty. You can bring it into the dealership. You're not going to get any trouble from the dealership. And when you decide to sell the car, you can take these off and sell them. They don't lose their value.
Of course, the style is important. We'll talk about that in a minute, but you're all about performance, and you get that through the materials you used.
So we have 3 options, starting with our forged aluminum. Then our most popular and lightest is our forged magnesium, and our top of the line is our full carbon fiber barrel with the forged center.
And they're all great looking. I want to show you. It's talking about performance, talk about lightweight, talk about Litespeed. When's the last time you were able to do that with a wheel? These are incredible. We couldn't tell which boxes were empty and which ones actually had wheels in when we were unpacking these. I know you said magnesium on that wheel. Magnesium has always raised a red flag for folks. They have a lot of problems with them. How are these wheels different from those of yesteryear?
A lot of people think of magnesium and they think of the old school magnesium, cast magnesium wheels. This is a modern forged magnesium alloy wheel. It's alloyed with different metals which make it more stable, stronger, corrosion resistant, not going to catch on fire.
Important.
This is actually similar to what F1 race cars use. So if a F1 has decided that forged magnesium is the best option for a wheel, they're probably right.
I'd probably go with those guys. They do a little research.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about the style, and that is where this all started. Tell me about your design background.
So my background is in industrial design, and I wanted to design wheels that would look good, that would pop on the car, but not overtake the car. And a main thing that I consider in all the designs is weight. So I know what geometries and what kind of designs are going to look good, but also are going to be lightweight and strong.
You have a bunch of different models to choose from, but from there, the wheels are actually customized. How does that work?
So when you go to the website, you check out all the designs, and then after that, you can choose, do you want the forged aluminum, the forged magnesium, or the carbon fiber? Then the size, the color, the vehicle fitment, even the brake clearance can be customized to perfectly match your vehicle.
They'll tell you what kind of brakes they have, and you can suit it to their needs.
Yep, if they have the standard factory brakes, or if they've upgraded to a larger brake kit, that larger brake kit sometimes won't fit on all wheels. And that's where a custom wheel like this comes into play, because we can make sure that that's going to fit over your larger brakes.
You've talked about how much stronger these are. You can talk about that all day long, but I'm thinking a wheel that light can't be that strong as you claim. How do you back that up?
Each wheel comes with a 3-year warranty, and we start off the design process with a computer simulation of load rating to make sure the design makes sense on the computer. After that, we actually do third-party testing to make sure that these do meet the load rating that they were designed to. And then we have real-world testing on the street and on the track.
When these roll out of the factory in California, how do you know the quality's there?
Each wheel is checked over very carefully, make sure that there's no blemishes. And because we have manufacturing here in the USA, maybe you scratch it and you need to send it back to us, we can easily fix it for you and send it back to you.
We talked about the styles of the different types of wheels. What are the size ranges you have in stock?
We offer from 16-inch up to 24-inch. We offer 1-piece wheels, 3-piece wheels, and even bead locks.
Now, if I have an application and I'm not sure what I need or what I want, can I talk to you about that?
Yep, we've been making wheels since 2014. We have a lot of information on different vehicles. So if you have a specific question, you can email or call us, and we can work through all that for you.
I can tell you these wheels are like none I have ever seen. They're from Litespeed Racing. You can find the right wheels for your vehicle at litespeedracing.com. We shall return with more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com.